Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet flashcards. First, create a free account to unlock all the powerful study tools. You can then organize your learning materials into custom study sets. Quizlet offers several distinct study modes, each designed to help you learn effectively. We will explore these modes to maximize your study sessions and improve retention. This platform is a fantastic resource for students of all levels. Creating effective flashcards is crucial for successful learning. Begin by adding clear terms and concise definitions to your sets. To make your flashcards even more powerful, consider incorporating relevant images or audio clips. This visual and auditory input can significantly boost your memory. Additionally, utilize rich text formatting options to highlight important information, ensuring your study materials are easy to read and understand. Quizlet offers a variety of study modes to suit different learning styles. The Learn mode provides a guided experience, adapting to your progress. For active recall, try the traditional flashcards mode or challenge yourself with Write mode, where you type out answers. To assess your understanding, engage with Match mode for speed and Test mode, which simulates an exam environment with various question types. Beyond individual study, Quizlet allows for powerful collaboration. Easily share your meticulously crafted study sets with friends or classmates, fostering group learning. You can also join classes to access shared resources and assignments from your instructors. Remember to regularly track your progress within the platform. This valuable feedback helps you identify areas needing more attention, ensuring your study efforts are always focused and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.